I'm not the expert. You are. And I need your help. I'm Eric, and I would love to speak the Iu Mien language even more fluently. I believe the best way to do that is through person-to-person interaction. So please, help me start a conversation in the comment section below. Advice, corrections, criticisms, critiques. It's all welcome. Leng ting tam. So here's my idea. As you heard, I really want to learn to speak Iu Mien more fluently, and I'm hoping that you can help. Now, I know the basics of Mien: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And I try to do all four of those things every day, if possible. Now, the reading, that's easy. I find whatever Iu Mien text available, even though resources are limited. It's not hard to find 1 to 3 words that I really don't know that well. And I write those definitions down. Then I take those definitions or those words and I incorporate them into what I call a never-ending story. It's a story of my own creation, my own imagination, that I'm making up as I go along. The idea is that I use the 3 words, usually, in the story, but everything else in those few sentences or paragraphs for the new day has to be organic, has to come from somewhere inside of me, something I already know. That's why there's a lot of mistakes, and they need correction. Another area I'm hoping that some might be able to help out. Then there's the speaking. Now, the speaking's not hard either. I talk to myself all the time. I talk to myself in the mirror, I talk to myself at the store, I talk to myself in the car. People look at me, they think I'm crazy, but not really. I'm just trying to learn Mien. Now, I figure, why not talk into this camera, send it out there into the big wide world of the interweb, and see what comes back. Maybe I can get some feedback, improve my accent, improve my tones, improve my sentence structure, my grammar, my vocabulary, all of that stuff. I'm hoping that somebody out there, whoever's watching, might be willing to send something back and help me out. Now, the listening's a little more difficult. I do have friends that I can speak Mien with frequently, and I do. I don't always get the target 1 to 3 words that I'm trying to learn for the day incorporated in whatever conversations, but if I work hard at it, I can make that happen too. So, that's kind of my method. I'm hoping, I'm begging anybody, whatever it is, like I said, corrections, advice, criticisms, critiques, all of it's welcome. Please let me know where I can improve. Now, today what I figured I'd do is just read the beginning of the story. The story is based on the first 3 words I ever picked up. That's why it has to do with a haughty man that is going out to fight a lion. And I did get correction on the beginning of the story, so I don't think there's a lot of mistakes in the grammar here, but my speaking ability might be improved upon. But as I go forward, each day will be new, and I'll need lots of help. So please, if you want, if you can, help. Here we go with the story, which has probably a horrible title. I might change this in the future. But it is Iu Mien Never Ending. Iu Mien ham tai ning can tu lan toi xian. Pa hai pong tu hin ye ning jiang nai gong bu ning can. Zhe liu ye can cao xian mai ma hai tao yim de teng ye bo xian. Pa pen hai yong. Wen hang nai Mien tham gong wo tam chang ton se Iu Mien Mien. Iu Mao nai lan Mien. Zung mai oi xian cha ning. Jiu tu ngat tai ning liu. Jiu nyan ning ye zhang. Wen nai tam chang ton biao cui meng zuan lang. Yim ut jie nom lang. Ning tiu tiu tiu. Ning tiu biao jie zu ang yung mei tong. Hai dang ye chia yao nye. Ni hai ang yung mei dang ut zan. Nin oi ting nai nyan ang yung biao eng cha hok ang yung tiu. Pa ni mai ting wei zu nin hai gam zie xian hai zung zai nin jiu ngat nin nyan. Pa nai tao Iu Mien Mien mai hiu tu xian zung mai zung ni na. Wei zu nai tao xian ye mai lão thảo chàng hồ chia tòn á xiên cô ơi chuột trên mảng nì như tòn chia liu anh nhung hay như tòng nhung mạo út tàu chàng chịu trên mình chịu trên chia nằm trong đèn nhẹ lồng cần nhua trong chàng mai xiang chung chào biong suy chăm cho bùn hiu mạo nai tàu chàng ôi tình chia nai nằm tòng ôi chủ hai đàng trong đèn mai nai cô đang như chia sẽ hai áo nhẹ bà ni mai tình ôi chủ nín ham tài xiên trò chun chiến nín tài ôi ngã nín nhàn nín như trang chia tai miền hiệu tôn hiu mạo nai làn miền sẽ mai bùa hiệu phụ on nín thiếu cào thao nấm làng nhẹ miền chỉ phụ on tai giàu nín bùa bà hai trăm phụ on có nín chào xiên bong trả nhẹ út tiểu câu bùn nín bùa moáng nín bùa hai cầm dĩa hai chia tai phụ on nai làng nhẹ miền sẽ có mấy bùa hai tàu ôi chào ye mình bỏ hình xiên nó thâu sung bùa sẽ có mấy bùa thành ye lệnh trên mấy bùa ye cho tụ xiên ye chín rồi u chán ye mẹ bung còi mấy bùa bà chơi liu ye tàu chong mấy ye ông chào ye tàu xỉa lung mà hai tàu sung bùa phải con lệnh hòa bùn nín ye lệnh chào mình bỏ xiên nín bùa cho con bùn nín mẹ chụp mình bỏ xiên mắt quyển chụp ye bùa. So there you have it. Hiu mạo nhiễm trọn tôn chào xiên. It's the beginning of my story. If you think I can improve anything, please let me know. Lệnh chính chăm.